Today we're going to be graphing quadratic functions. We're going to go ahead and do this example together. It says here, find the y-intercept, the axis of symmetry, and the x-coordinate of the vertex for this graph. Okay, so we have f of x equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our table, and I'm assuming that you have a TI-84. Go ahead and press y equals, and you're going to have 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. And we're going to make this table, so we're going to go ahead and press second table. And if we look at our graph, if we go in the left of the origin, you have -1, -2, -3. You probably want to start with -3. Now, obviously, we can't graph -3, 33, -2, 19, maybe -1, 9. So let's go ahead and start there. So you have x is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then our y value is when x is -1, y is 9. When x is 0, y is 3. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 3. And then when x is 3, it's 9. Now, just so you know what's going on, and I did this table on purpose here, what I want you to do to fill out this table, you're going to go ahead and write the rule f of x equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. And just so you can understand the process, it's going to be 2 times -1 squared minus 4 times -1 plus 3. And we're going to repeat this. 2 times 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus 3. 2 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 3. 2 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 3, and then we have 2 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 3. Just so you understand what's going behind what's happening within the calculator. So now we're going to go ahead and graph our ordered pairs. We have -1, 9, 0, 3, 1, 1, and let me go ahead and correct that. 1, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 9. So let's go ahead and look at our graph. Remember, we're going to start at the origin. Okay, so I was just waiting for the graph to reappear, so there we go. Okay, so the first order pair is -1, 9. -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's up there. Now we're going to graph 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. The next one is 1, 1. The next one is 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. And then the next one is 3, 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you notice that a quadratic is in the form of a U. So the first question was, what is the axis of symmetry? And just so I'm going to use a red to highlight the axis of symmetry. This is the axis of symmetry. That is the axis of symmetry. Okay. The next item was to identify the y-intercept. So this right here is the y-intercept, which was right here, 0, 3. the vertex was 1, 1. And it asks, what was the x-coordinate of the vertex? Well, we know that the x-coordinate is going to be 1. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and ask you to do number 1 with me. And then number 2, you're going to work on your own doing that, okay? So remember, this is going to be picked up, or you're going to upload it after we finish the notes, okay? Okay, so it says here, complete parts A and C. Find the y-intercept, the axis of symmetry, and the x-coordinate of the vertex. Make a table of values that includes the vertex. Use this information to graph the function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table just like we did before. So make a table. And of course, here is your function. Okay, and then of course, we have y, and then we have the variable. And some students ask, how many points do we need to graph? Well, as many as you can see the graph. So I'm going to start with, well, let's first go ahead and type it into the calculator before we decide what. We're going to go and press y equals, and we're going to type in x squared. Oh, you got to clear this. So you're going to type in x squared. My mistake. X squared plus 6x plus 8. Let's go to our table, second graph. And we probably want to start with -5. Okay. So we're going to have -5. And for the sake of time, we're going to say 3. So it's going to be -5, 3. You understand that -5 squared plus 6 times -5 plus 8 is going to give you 3, okay? So let's graph -5, 3. We start at the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. There's our point. So let's graph -4, 0. -4, 0. So it's -4 squared plus 6 times -4 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0. There's our graph. The next one is -3. -3 squared plus 6 times -3 plus 8. And -3 gives you -1. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph that. Just so you understand, you're going to go ahead and write short order pairs. Okay, so it's going to be -3, -1, -3, -1, and then we're going to go to -2. So when x is -2, we'll go back to 0. And then we probably want to graph one more point. So we have -1, 3. So it's -1 squared plus 6 times -1 plus 8 gives you 3. And the order pair is -1, 3. And I'm going to go ahead and graph the points. And you notice it's a parabola. Okay. And it's asking what is the y-intercept. In this case, I couldn't tell you what the y-intercept is. But if we look at our table, we have 0, 8. 0, 8. That is our y-intercept. So we have 0 squared plus 6 times 0 plus 8. That is our y-intercept. To find the axis of symmetry, this would be the axis of symmetry. X equals -3. And this right here would be our vertex. Okay, I'm going to have you do number 2 on your own.